प्रोफाइल लेवलिंग के बारे में जानकारी लेंगे। प्रोफाइल लेवलिंग इज द ऑपरेशन ऑफ लेवलिंग which is carried out on a predetermined direction of line. It may be a straight single line or number of lines connecting with each other changing their directions. For example, it may be a center line of road, railway, canal, dam or pipeline. In construction of roads especially, the profile leveling is carried out. Just for example, suppose it is the center line of the road which is there, this AB, and there is this BC, and then there is this CD like this. If such line is there, the level is set up somewhere here at the particular position which is carried out from the benchmark, and the staff readings are taken at some regular interval of distances along this center line of road, and all these staff readings are marked in the level field book like this. Suppose here in this case we have considering the 30 meter regular interval of distance, and the staff readings are taken to these points. These staffs are held here at points and the staff readings are taken, and after this the position is changed to the another setup, that is suppose L2, and like this the whole road is covered, and these all ground levels are calculated in the level field book. Generally this staff interval is 10 to 30 meter depending on the undulations on the ground. Dear, now how to plot this profile is very important. To plot the profile, we consider one line, that is called this abscissa, over which the changes are marked, which are the regular staff intervals. In this case, it is 30 meter, 60 meter, 90 meter, like this, up to 450 meter. Now, against this, the ground levels are written in black over these ordinates, and one datum is chosen. Datum means the minimum level from which the ordinates are plotted above it. It means that this level is decided greater than the lower value here. Now here in this ground level, the lower value is there about 95, and therefore it is taken 85 meter, by which these ordinates will be plotted positively over the datum. And generally a scale is chosen for taking these horizontal distances. The horizontal scale is considered, which is generally 1:1000 to 1:2500, and the vertical scale is generally 10 times exaggerated than the horizontal scale to consider this profile properly, profile of the ground, undulations of the ground, and generally it is taken 1:100 to 1:250, this vertical scale. And with this scale, the drawing starts for the profile plotting. And for that, suppose this is 96.85 and datum is 85, this value is deducted from this, then it comes to 11.85. Then according to this scale 1:100, this vertical distance is taken 11.85 meter. Here this point comes. Then for 30 meter change, this 96.32. From this 85 is deducted, then this is 11.32. Like this, all the ordinates are marked, and suppose this is at the last 450 channel, this is 101.87, then it will come 16.87 centimeter here, and all these ground points are marked with the straight black line as a ground lines, and it will give you the surface of the earth which is there on that particular predetermined line. This is called the profile of the ground. Now, when any engineering project is ready then we prepare the working profile for the construction engineers. And in this working profile, we give the formation level, height of banking, depth of cutting, and what gradient we have chosen for the construction of that road, railway, whatever it may be. Now, according to this, for this particular problem, we have considered 1:150 rising gradient from the chain 0 to chain 450. Now here, for that existing point from which the road is started, now for that the formation level is 97 meter. And then if one formation level is known to us, then how to find the formation level of other chainages? And for that, the calculation of formation level will be done like this. There is a formation level at chainage is 97 meter. Now gradient is 1:150 of rising gradient. Now the stop interval or unit length of section is 30 meter in this case. And therefore we have to find out rise per 30 meter length, that is 1 by 150 into 30, that is 0.2 meter. And here rising gradient is provided, therefore we are finding rise. If there is falling gradient, down gradient, then we have to find out the fall per 30 meter. And then for every succeeding 30 meter, we add the rise, because rising gradient is there in the previous formation level. Therefore, formation level at chain is 30 is 97 meter FL at chain is 0 plus rise 97.2. Then at the formation level, chain is 60, 97.2 plus 0.2, 97.4. Like this, the formation levels are calculated up to the chainage of 450, that is 19.8 plus 0.2, that is 100 meter. And therefore, for this chainage of 450, the formation level is 100 meter. And all these formation levels are written in red ink. It is the convention, color convention, which is used for mentioning the formation level. Once formation level of last point is obtained, then mark the point of 100 of formation level, and here the point of 97. Just 97 minus 85 means 12 centimeter, and 100 minus 85 is equal to that 15 centimeter. This is there, and now it is to be joined with the red line, which shows the formation level. This is formation line, which is generally shown in red ink. Now what is meant by formation line? It is the line to which earthwork is carried out. Means if below this line there is depression, that is to be filled with the soil. And if the ground is above that line, then it is to be cut. And therefore we have to find out what is the banking and what is the cutting. And therefore we have to carry out the calculation of height of banking. Now how the height of banking comes? Now when the formation level is greater than ground level, this formation level is greater than this ground level, therefore we have to carry out the height of banking. It is obtained by deducting the ground level from the formation level. Suppose for this chainage 0 here, D0, depth D0, 97 formation level minus this ground level, that is 0.15. And this chain is 30, 97.2 formation level minus this ground level 96.32, it is 0.88. Like this, all the formation levels are calculated up to 270 chainage. There is height of banking, that is this. Here 98.785, it is deducted from 98.8, you will get 0.015 meter depth of banking. Here we have to fill up the soil. Another thing is there is calculation of depth of cutting. It is here from chainage 300 to chainage 450. Here the ground is to be cut over the formation level. Now if the formation level is less than ground level, then depth of cutting will come. And here at the chainage 300, you see from this 99.36, this ground level, this formation level of 99 is deducted, we will get 0.36 depth of cutting. Similarly for chain is 330, 99.81 minus 99.20, it is 0.61. Like this, up to this chain is 450, that is ground point 101.87 minus 100 formation level, it is 1.87. Like this depth of cutting and height of banking are calculated. And for this working profile, the standard color convention is used, which has been standardized by the Survey of India Department. For datum line, datum RL, ground level, outlines of ground surface and chain edges are written in black ink. Then this is ordinates, means these vertical lines above datum up to ground point, they are given in blue thin lines. Then formation line, this red color formation line, this formation level, depth of cutting, these are given in red ink. Then finished surface and height of banking, this height of banking, and over this formation level there is finished road surface or rail surface, that is shown in blue ink. Then there is gradient, this gradient is shown in black in bold letters, and it is marked with the red line against the ordinate with the bold arrows in black. This is the Then the banking or filling, this is filled with the black dots. It represents the banking or filling. And if these black section lines are there, hatching lines are there, it represents the cutting. In this way, these color conventions are used. And now this working profile is ready for the reference of the construction engineer. Now this profile, working profile, is used for finding the earthwork volume in cutting and banking in the engineering projects. Thank you very much, my friends. Please subscribe my channel, like my video, and if any comment, please give the comments in comment section. Bye. Okay. Thank you very much.